Hello friends, welcome back. On my last video, we made one of the small little gift boxes, or a favor box, and that got me curious to find out how big of a box I can actually make with my Cricut and the largest paper that I have, 12 inches by 24 inches. So let's find out. We'll pop into images, go to image set, search boxes. Now I'll admit, I've already done a search and I found this box here at the bottom, and I figure this will probably be about the biggest I'll be able to do. Now you'll see on the right, it's already saying that there are 3 that are too big. So I'm just slowly going to make this file smaller until they stop yelling at me. So 1 has gone away, 2 have gone away, all 3 have gone away. So this file, let's take a quick peek at it. Looks like it's got, there's the bottom, sidewise, looks like it's got a height just over 2 inches, so that's not too bad. So I'm gonna get this cut out. We've got 23 inches long and 14.453 inches in the width. The lid is just over 18 inches long and just about 11.5 inches wide. So hopefully this will make a nice big box. We'll keep our fingers crossed. Okay, so got everything cut out. As you can see, they're very big pieces. This mat is measuring at the 22-inch mark, so it's about 23 inches wide. This is my bigger craft cutting mat. I don't use it often, only for super big projects, because I do prefer my clover mat a bit better. But we've got the little insert guy. I chose that lighter dusty pink on there. We've got the lid there. So pretty simple. And then these 2 pieces will line up probably about like that. So there will be the base. So I'm gonna start with getting the lid put together, and then we'll work on the bottom. Okay, first part, let's glue the dusty rose pink onto the back side of the lid. Don't want to use too much glue, but I want it to seal and not lift up, so get glue on all the sections. Okay. Press this down firmly. Little bit of glue did squeeze through, that's okay. I've got a little paper towel here, just gonna wipe that up. Okay, so while we let that dry, let's look at the 2 bottom pieces. So it looks like we got some glue tabs there. So I'm gonna start putting the folds in this one, because I think it's gonna be a lot easier to put together. I'm using the white paper here. Some of the folds are a little hard to see. this right in there. Yeah, I don't know where I'd be without my bone folder on this one. Definitely needed. Yeah, I didn't think I'd be able to get a box quite this big, but here it is. I can see that it's going to be quite a big box. Okay, it folds in on the shoulder side. Trying my best not to have any unnecessary creases. Oh, I got one more fold in the bottom of that one. Looks like the walls might double up. This one a better. Wasn't creasing the nicest there. There. Yeah, I find the bone controller just gives way more control. So, sorry, the bone folder gives more control. Apparently speaking is not a #1 thing for me today. I'm sure everyone has those days. Almost done this one. I'll probably do the second side in fast motion for you because I'm sure this gets boring very quickly. A little hard to see the line on the white. Then after this, I might do one more video today and then start working on dinner. Not 100% sure yet. So there's one side folded up. As you can see, that's looks like it's going to fold down like that, and I will work on the second one here. Okay, next part is I'm going to glue the two big main box pieces together. And that will need a little bit to dry because I definitely don't want them falling apart on me. Glue in there. This is the tricky part. Getting them lined up. Okay, I'm gonna get this one off to the side and then we'll work on the lid. Okay, so let's get the lid folded up and glued together. You see each corner there's a tab, so that's what is gonna glue on. Once I have this box done, I'm gonna have to decide, one, if I'm gonna keep it and what I'll put in it, or am I going to put a gift in it and give it to someone? Maybe something homemade, a craft. I'm trying to think what birthdays are coming up. I don't think I got one coming up until September. Ah, there is one in August. It's my brother, not really colors of a box that my brother would appreciate. Okay, now let's get these tabs folded. As I drop my bone folder, let me grab that. Get any dust and stuff off of it. Okay. Right, the glue started to dry on the tip there. This bottle is getting pretty low. I'm gonna have to grab another one. This reminds me kind of like the department store boxes, especially in the older years. You'd get something from like your grandmother, and it would be from a department store and one of their boxes with the department store name on it. So I know you can still get those boxes in some of the department stores. But most people, I think, tend to gift cards and things like that. Okay, so there is our lid. So that's quite cute. Okay, now that the box is dried enough that we won't pop that edge off, we can get the rest of this guy done. Popped in where it's supposed to go. Okay. Get glue on this final tab.
Just getting pressure on that corner. So there, you just fold in there like that. Make sure he's still sticking together. He looks like he is. The lid slides on. So altogether, this box is 14 inches wide, and it is about 7.5 inches in the height. Width-wise, it came to just under 3 inches. So that's not too bad. There's quite a bit you could get in here. So if I was making someone, say, a cute set of tea towels for their kitchen, you know, like 2 or 3 would fit in here, no problem. So there. This is probably about the biggest size box you can make with your Cricut. Let me move my big mat out of the way. So this would look really cute. I'm gonna get better lighting on here. Move my lights a little closer. Zoom in for you. So a nice pattern paper at the top there. That would look, the piece of fuzz there, that would look really pretty. So like flowery paper, something like that. That's, if I make this box again at this size, even smaller, I think that's what I'll do. Because I've got lots of pattern paper and I think it will look gorgeous. And this piece is slightly structural, and there's nothing saying that you can't use just regular cardstock and then your pattern paper over it, or if you have thicker pattern paper to use that. But the box is quite sturdy. Like it's not going anywhere. So yeah, if you need a bigger box, and you want one of the cute ones with the lid, and you don't want the department store logo on there, there you go. Go into Design Space and make yourself one. Awesome. Well, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I truly appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Until next time.